Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile Beta version 3.7. First, you need to understand that beta is a testing ground for future updates. It provides an exciting opportunity to experience new content, like enhanced graphics or innovative game mechanics, often months before general release. Joining the beta community also allows you to contribute directly to the game's development, helping shape its future. To begin, navigate to the official PUBG Mobile Beta website or look for trusted announcements within the game's community forums. Downloading from these verified sources is crucial for your device's security and to ensure you receive a legitimate beta build. Avoid any third-party links or unofficial websites, as these might contain outdated or malicious software. Remember to have adequate storage space available, usually around 2 GB, before initiating the download process. Once your download is complete, find the APK file, often labeled as beta or test, in your phone's download directory. Tap on it to start the installation. If prompted, ensure you allow installations from unknown sources in your security settings. After installation finishes in about 30 seconds, open the beta application from your home screen. Grant any requested permissions, such as access to photos and media, which are essential for the game to function correctly. Upon launching the beta, you will usually have the option to log in using your existing PUBG Mobile account, like Facebook or Google Play. This can link some of your general progress, though specific beta-only achievements and items usually stay separate. It is important to remember that any progress you make or items you acquire within the beta version will not transfer to the main game. Use this as a testing ground for new features, not for main account progression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.